product we'd like to show you is the Cordless Faux Wood blind. This particular blind gives the look of actual wood blind, but in white in color. So it comes with a 2-inch slat, and it's a horizontal blind. It also has a decorative crown valance on the top, so it gives it a nice look. Okay. There's a child safety feature on this, right? So that's why it's cordless. There's no hanging cords, so it's ANSI safety standard compliant. Okay, let me show you how to operate it. First, what you do is you tilt it open with the wand. Okay, so you turn it either way. You can close these slats both ways, so I can even go all the way back and then all the way forward as well. Okay, so and then you want to lift it up. You just pull the bottom rail up. Okay, and this is how it goes up. And it locks in place, just like that. Okay? To bring it down, you just pull the bottom rail. Might have did that too fast, but there you go. Okay? And then you want to close them again. That's the 2-inch cordless faux wood blind. It's available on our website at bestcustomscreens.com.